In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Splayer app on Android. We'll use the safest and most reliable method straight from the Google Play Store because there are multiple apps that share the Splayer name and not all of them are trustworthy. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace that checks apps for safety, so it's the recommended place to get Splayer. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type exactly Splayer. Fast video player. You may see several results with similar names, so look for the one that matches that title. Avoid any lookalike listings that don't match, since they can be unrelated or less reliable. Next, tap Install. The download will begin and you'll see a progress circle as Android pulls the files from the Play Store. Depending on your connection, this can take a moment. If you're on mobile data and want to save bandwidth, connect to Wi-Fi first. Keep the Play Store open until the installation finishes. If you tap the wrong listing by mistake, no problem. Use the back button to return to search and pick the correct one. When the install completes, tap Open to launch Splayer. On first start, Android will ask for permission to access your device's storage or media library. This is needed so the app can find and play the videos already on your phone or tablet. Choose Allow so Splayer can scan your folders and display your media. After that, you can browse your files and start playing a video right away. The interface is straightforward. Your library shows folders and files, and tapping a title begins playback with familiar controls for pausing, seeking, and volume. One of the reasons this version is recommended is its feature set. It handles many popular video formats out of the box, so you don't have to convert files. It supports subtitles, which means you can load subtitle files and adjust how they appear while you watch for better readability. There's also picture-in-picture, sometimes called a floating player, so the video can stay on screen in a small window while you check messages or use other apps. And if you have a compatible TV or streaming device, you can cast your video to the big screen. Look for the cast icon when you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. A quick but important caution: there are many fake or different Splayer apps out there, and some are tied to other services, including streaming apps like OnStream. Not all versions are reliable or safe. To avoid problems, stick to the Google Play Store and the Splayer Fast Video Player listing. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll have the official Splayer app installed safely and ready to use.